Hey Miguel, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to quickly go over some things you could do with your website here, get it updated, start making it work better for you, start bringing in more leads for you. I will add really quick, when I did bring up your website, initially there was a little drop down that came on here that said your website was under construction and it would be back. And then I clicked around a little bit and it went away, but just so you know. So anyways, we'll get started. All right, I've got your website up here. I really like your logo really big up here at the top. That's great. I would add in a click to call, just your phone number really big up here at the top that clients can click on as soon as they come onto your website. As we come down, you can also add in like a call to action right here. So maybe if you do a free estimate, click right here. We'll give you a free estimate. Submit your information, contact us, that kind of thing right up here. As we come further down, we've got your services, which is great. Residential's got some information, commercial doesn't. So we could get that updated for sure. A little bit about you, which is good, and the company, some of your work, which is also great. Coming further down, it looks like we've got your contact info. So something like this, you can move up to the top as a call to action really quick. Get a quote, call to action, move that up at the top. Then coming further down, we've got some of the different areas you service. It looks like maybe you do quite a few. And then down here in the bottom in your footer, contact information again, which is great. Different ways for your clients to connect with you, also great. I would get some reviews, testimonials added onto this homepage too. That's always helpful. But what Google really cares about is the content on this homepage. They want to see you sitting at between a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark of command quality content. Now, in addition to that content, they want to see buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. So one of those buyer intent keywords could be house painters Tucson. When I search for that on your homepage, it's not found on here. And so the importance of this is that when people are searching in Google for your services, Google's going to send crawlers through your website to read that content, and it's going to be searching for these buyer intent keywords, these phrases that match what people are looking for, and that's going to start to bring your website up higher because Google knows that you can help fulfill the needs of these people. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is a backlink. A backlink is just a shout out from another website. It just lets Google know that your website is trustworthy and relevant. The tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are plenty of other free tools out there. And so what we're going to look at here is your UR and your DR rating. Now, your UR rating is your trust rating with Google. Your DR rating is your power rating with Google. These are influenced by your backlinks. The backlinks come from these referring domains. Now, we want these ratings to be much higher, and we want them to be really close. So that's just letting us know that the couple of backlinks you do have aren't very trustworthy, aren't very powerful, aren't very relevant, and there's definitely not enough of them to let Google know that you're trustworthy and relevant. And so I've also put in one of the top competitors in your area, Ivan's Painting, into Ahrefs as well. And so as we can see, their trust rating is 20, their power rating is 0. That's letting us know that these backlinks, even though they have over 400 of them, they're not very trustworthy, they're not very powerful, they're not very relevant. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to get some really strong, powerful backlinks. Now, by updating that content, updating those keywords, and improving these backlinks, you're going to start to rank organically, which is going to bring in more organic traffic for you. This organic traffic is going to convert to leads for you. Now, when we talk about ranking organically, we mean in this area down here. And so when I searched for you guys, I went back to the second page. I still didn't see you. I stopped after that. Most people aren't going to leave the first page. Another large majority of them aren't going to go past the second page to find a company. So that's why it's really important to be ranked up here in this first, second, and third position in the organic section. Now, the last thing that we're going to touch on here really quick is this area, the local map pack or Google My Business. So how we get ranked here is by having a Google business profile. So here's yours. We want to make sure we've got it filled out completely. So our business's name, address, phone number, hours of operation. We want to have pictures in here. I think you've got a few. We want to keep uploading pictures on there. Make sure they're geotagged properly. Make sure they're uploaded as buyer intent keywords with the proper alt text prior to adding them on there. You want to have reviews, so make sure you continue to improve. Keep asking your clients or customers for reviews once you've completed jobs for them. And then we want to update this content that we've got here, add in some of those buyer intent keywords that we talked about, update those profiles. I think your Facebook or your website says that you've got Instagram. Get that added on here so people can get in touch with you. And then the last thing for this area is by having your citation in as many directories as possible. Now your citation is just your business's name, address, phone number. Directories include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. So what I would do if I was in your shoes, I would find all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, get myself added into those exact same ones, and then I go above and beyond that. If they're in 150, I'm going to be in 200, 250, maybe even 300, really blow them out of the water. And that's going to get you ranking in this first, second, or third position right here. So you want to be ranked number 1 here and number 1 down in this organic section as well. All right, Miguel, that's all I've got for you today. I hope that this was helpful. I really look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.